ka KC Light Square ka badai ka kunhun rai jong ka KC Secondary School Shillong kalawan ra buram me ka jela bar ka ri India hi barok away da ka bayo Khur artli kita ka Ksiar bar ka khusnam ka bakerpang ha ka jinga kop rai ha ka third Thailand International Choral Competition. Ka third Thailand International Choral Competition kelas nang nadu ka lai tarik bat kut ha ka nyau tarik nailar. Ar pusan mut ki khana jong ka kunhun rai ka KC Light Square kila 1 poi hanong ba Shillong ha ka shipau tarik nailar bat apdiang buram Yaki dagino hikai school ka KC kentup ya ka Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization ka United Neutrap Movement bat ka Cafe Racers of Shillong Motorcycle Club kila penlong ya ka jing pediang buram ya ka kunhun ruai KC Lights ha Interstate Bus Terminal ISBT Mauyong Shillong. Principal jong KC School ba Brian Walang ha bakran jikinong thok Khubor ulapan pau ko jing sngok kemen ka bakraw ha ka bayade ba ka jing job jong ka kunhun bat pan pau ha ka ne ka jing yakop kidan hadu nyau tli kiri ki bawan ban shimpanta bar ka KC Light Square kami khmat nakari India.
Okay, this is congratulations. Come forward, girls. Come forward. Yeah.
Boys.
Boys. Boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Oh, there he's there. Come, boys. Come, boys. Like that. Yeah. Come here. Let me take this one.
This 2018, if I'm not mistaken, already had get went to Kumar organization. I'm so sorry about this time. Sorry. Actually, because from our organization, we just got a conversation in this last night.
That's right.
We couldn't prepare anything, but no issues. Like we will be invited to our organization by this 20th of this month.
Okay.
For that.
Oh, thank you. Well done,
Just like we
everyone.
did. And once again, we congratulate Khubor and Polish Bun, lawan rakyat ng Khubor sa kabrin yung grab mo. Ang natay ka namin mo.
Smile, guys.
Smile. Thank you.
Thank you. Like this, like this. Oh.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Manuel,
Where's the manual?
take the sauce there.
Thank you, Ms. Please come up on stage and receive the token of appreciation. Yes.
I would like to call upon Ms. Maya Momin to please do the honors.
Viviana, Eldora, Evan Roy, Lala Nangha, Michelle, Batsri Soy Bunyapun, Gabriela, Rachel, Lapentien, Isabella, and Safi Clarissa. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone. For the girls, I would request Ms. Hazel to please come up on stage and do the honors.
From the parents, I would like to call upon Ms. Jenny Mauthor to please felicitate for the boys.